Hey little friends, let's look at the colorful budgerigar. The budgerigar has bright green and yellow feathers and cute round eyes. When it hops on the branch, the budgerigar looks so cheerful and spreads happiness everywhere. Hey little friends, let's look at the pretty dragonfly. The dragonfly has shiny, transparent wings and flies super fast over the water. When sunlight touches it, the dragonfly sparkles like a tiny flying jewel. Isn't it beautiful? Hey little friends, let's meet the brave wolf. The wolf has thick, soft fur and bright, clever eyes. Living in the forest, the wolf is fast, strong, and cares for its pack with love. Isn't that amazing? Hey little friends, let's meet the Poitou donkey. The Poitou donkey has long, shaggy hair and big, cute ears. When walking through the fields, the Poitou donkey looks so gentle and friendly. Everyone wants to be its friend. Hey little friends, let's meet the cute caterpillar. The caterpillar has a soft, long body and loves crawling on green leaves. One day, the caterpillar will turn into a beautiful butterfly flying in the sky. Isn't that magical? Hey, little friends, look! That's the cute meerkat standing tall and watching around. The meerkat lives in groups and always helps each other stay safe. When they play together, the meerkat looks so funny and full of joy. Hey, little friends, look closely. That's the green stink bug. The green stink bug has a shiny green shell and loves to hide on leaves. Even though it's tiny, the green stink bug is an important part of the insect world. Hey, little friends, let's meet the capybara. The capybara is the biggest rodent in the world and super gentle. When relaxing in the water, the capybara looks so calm and cute. It makes everyone smile. Hey little friends, let's dive into the ocean and meet the cute shrimp. The shrimp has a tiny pink body and swims super fast. When moving in groups, the shrimp looks like tiny dancing sparkles under the sea. Hey little friends, let's meet the elegant Tennessee Walker horse. The Tennessee Walker horse is famous for its smooth walk and graceful style. When running through the meadows, the Tennessee Walker horse looks so strong, beautiful, and full of charm. Hey little friends, let's look at the cute goldfish. The goldfish has a soft, flowing tail and shiny golden scales. When swimming, the goldfish sparkles beautifully and makes the aquarium bright and colorful. Hey little friends, let's climb the trees and meet the orangutan. The orangutan has long arms and loves swinging through the jungle leaves. When resting, the orangutan relaxes in its leafy bed. So calm and cute. Hey little friends, today let's meet the wild mouflon. The mouflon has big, curly horns and loves to run on mountain hills. Even though it's wild, the mouflon is gentle and super fast. Such a cute mountain sheep. Hey little friends, look! That's the lovely halflinger horse with shiny golden hair. The halflinger horse is gentle, strong, and loves to run across the green meadows. When the wind blows, the halflinger horse looks so elegant and super cute. Hey little friends, let's dive into the ocean and meet the octopus. The octopus has 8 long arms that can swim and hug everything. When moving underwater, the octopus looks like it's dancing so gracefully. Cute and super smart. Hey little friends, let's swim with the manta ray. The manta ray has big, soft fins that glide smoothly under the sea. When it moves, the manta ray looks like it's dancing in the sparkling blue water. So beautiful, right? Hey little friends, Today, let's meet the Muscovy duck. The Muscovy duck has beautiful black and white feathers and a bright red face. When it swims across the pond, the Muscovy duck looks so proud and super cute. Hey, little friends, let's meet the cute pot-bellied pig. The pot-bellied pig has a big round belly and floppy little ears. When walking around the yard, the pot-bellied pig looks so happy and super adorable. Hey, little friends, let's explore the rainforest together. Today, we meet the Burmese python. The Burmese python has a long, shiny brown-yellow body and moves so gracefully. As it slithers slowly through the leaves, the Burmese python looks strong and beautiful. Hey, little friends, look up there. That's the bat flying swiftly through the night. The bat has soft wings and loves to sleep upside down. Even though it's nocturnal, the bat is super cute and helps keep the forest clean.